Anong difference po nila nitong Suada sa Findi?
Ito kasi sir, mas strongest po yung ng coffee niya versus po dito sa...
Plus ito may milk, no?
Opo. Yung gamit naman dito sir is condensed. Dito naman po is fish milk.
Fish milk?
Fish milk po.
Wow. Okay. Fresh milk. I strongly believe that life begins after the first sip of coffee. 3-in-1 man yan or branded na coffee, coffee is coffee and coffee is life. Highlands Coffee is a Vietnamese-inspired coffee shop. May hot coffee, iced coffee, meron din silang mga tinapay na may palaman. Meron din silang fruit teas, ice blended na mga smoothies. Sa mga coffees nila, dalawa yung ginagamit nilang sweetener, either condensed milk or fresh milk. Iced Cafe Suada yung in-order ko na merong milk of condensation. Ibang level ang strength niya kasi tignan mo yung color, parang chocolate, dark na dark. Binoblow-blow ko siya dyan para maging well-incorporated yung lasa at halong-halo. 3 things, mapait, matapang at mapupuyat ka sa coffee na to.